Good morning, traders. Happy Wednesday. Well, yesterday we had a very dull market, very slow, very low volume in the US. The market was drifting down. This is the S&P 500. As you can see, it was kind of reaching resistance and then pulled back nicely, but in a very narrow range, and that's actually impacts the Asian market and European market. After all, money is moving around the world, and there is a correlation between all markets. So we saw it clearly yesterday with the US kind of drifting down. European market also moved down. Asia market also moved down. But in a very, very slow fashion, so not much of a move happened overnight. That's what leads me to the next thing I want to talk about is when markets are quiet, you will find traders and investors looking for opportunities elsewhere. And once you see a move in other market, and that's our job to look for moves in other markets by following them, you see where the fog is actually moving to. And yesterday, what we saw two things. One of them is that traders, once they saw that the indexes and majors market, including the currency, the dollar yen, the euro dollar, the pound, just look at them and see there was not such a move there. Traders moved to, for example, to commodities. We saw, and I spoke about it the last several days, we saw big move in the gold market, and you notice that many traders moved into this market. Once this trend line I showed you yesterday broke to the upside, and it was a little bit a couple of days ago, and yesterday was the clear move with momentum picking up. We saw a nice move from 1237 to 1266. This is a huge move compared to recent weeks, and a lot of potential to make money was manifesting by this move. Another market that I mentioned yesterday, it's the WTI, the commodity, the crude oil. We saw also traders moving to this market. There you go. The breakout from the trend line was actually several days ago, and once we saw this break to the upside and then some consolidation at the top of the range, we saw another push up yesterday. Next level for the crude oil, definitely the 100 level. This is a round number, also works with the previous support. Now becomes resistance. Look at this. There you go. This is the price, this is the level where crude oil broke to the downside. Now it's resting at a minor resistance. Next level is 100. But again, use stops and manage your trade right. So that's the main action we saw yesterday. Once there weren't majors move in currencies and the indexes around the world, traders were looking for action in other place, and crude oil and gold were the leading markets that moved yesterday. Another that's I personally don't trade a lot. It's stocks. Individual stocks presents on a daily basis, if you follow it closely, opportunities. So even if a day like yesterday, when the market is very slow, you can find opportunities in the stocks that are moving separately from the indexes. One example, same pattern as the gold and the WTI, is Facebook. I'm sure all of you are familiar with this stocks and platform. We saw a big move 5 days ago. Yesterday was another push to the upside, reaching above $50 level. So definitely, once you see there is no action in markets you usually follow, you can just go ahead and put on your list majors, stocks or commodities or other currencies, just to look for opportunities to take money from the market. And I noticed this Facebook yesterday because, again, I'm like most of you focusing on several markets, but I noticed that there was a big move, and I will be following it today definitely. Google, it's a bit pricey, but it's keep the trade up. So again, just go over major stocks and commodities and look for opportunities, because opportunities are always there. We just need to look for them and be ready once they present opportunities. Euro dollar inching up. There wasn't such a big move yesterday, just keeping the trend. If you are long, stay with this trend. The next target is 138. Okay, that's it for today. Good luck trading, and see you tomorrow.